Pharmacy is a science that bridges medical science with chemistry. It is responsible for production, safe and effective usage, and disposal of medicine and drugs. Pharmaceutical science is an interesting course to pursue and build a career. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're looking at the top 10 pharmacy colleges in India that offer UG programs. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite colleges, college comparisons, courses, careers, and more. As always, we will only consider the data submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We leave the links in the description below. In a pharmaceutical science degree, students will learn properties, impact, and methods of preparation of drugs and medicine. There are more than 2,000 institutions in India that offer courses in pharmaceutical studies. Among them, 75 institutions are listed on the NIRF table. Let's analyze the top 10 NIRF-listed institutions. Amrita School of Pharmacy, Kochi. At number 10, we have Amrita School of Pharmacy. Amrita School of Pharmacy intakes 60 students for its 4-year UG program, 40 students for its 2-year PG program, 10 students for a 3-year PG program, and 30 students in a 6-year PG program. The institution has a total of 497 students studying across all years in both UG and PG programs. From the 4-year UG program, 86.66% of the final year students graduated and all of the eligible students got placed, leaving a placement percentage of 100%. These placed students received a median salary of Rs 3 lakhs per annum. Amrita School of Pharmacy also offers PharmD, which is a 6-year PG program. When we look at the performance of this course, 93.33% of the students graduated last year. 86.95% of the graduates got placed with a median salary of 4.5 lakhs per annum. Amrita School of Pharmacy has spent more than 2.91 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 7.02 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at the Amrita School of Pharmacy's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 58.11%. In research and professional practices, the score is 53.78%. In graduation outcomes, the score is 66.3%. In outreach and inclusivity, it has scored 63.83%. And finally, in public perception, it has a score of 36.24%. This gives an overall NIRF score of 56.82% and the 15th rank on the NIRF table. Amrita School of Pharmacy made it into the list only in 2019, but since then it has been one among the top 15 pharmacy colleges in the country. SVKM's Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies. SVKM's Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies takes the 9th spot on our list. SVKM's Narsi Monji Institute, Mumbai has an approved intake of 20 UG students, 57 3-year PG students, and 68 students in the PG integrated program. The institution has a total of 547 students. From the UG program, 100% of the students have graduated. 63.63% of the eligible students were placed for a median salary package of 4.43 lakhs per annum. When it comes to the PG integrated program, 98.33% of students graduated within the minimum stipulated time. Out of the eligible candidates, 89.28% were placed with a median salary of 6.06 lakhs per year. Over 2.47 crores was spent as annual capital expenditure and over 11.71 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's take a quick look at SVKM Narsi Monji Institute's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 77.13%. In research and professional practices, the score is 34.25%. In graduation outcomes, the score is 81.91%. In outreach and inclusivity, the score is 60.45%. And finally, in perception from the public, the score is 20%. This gives an overall NIRF score of 57.85% and the 13th rank on the NIRF table. SVKM Narsi Monji Institute's position on the NIRF table has been consistent for the last 2 years. Anna Malai University. At the 8th spot, we have Anna Malai University. Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu intakes 60 students for the UG program, 48 students for the 2-year PG program, 10 students for the 3-year PG program, and 30 students for the 6-year PG program. This institution has a total of 480 students studying across all years. From the 4-year UG program, 96.07% of students graduated and 98.97% of the eligible students were placed. The placed students received a median salary of 1.8 lakh per annum. Annamalai University is one of the few colleges in the country to offer the PharmD course. The graduation percentage for the program is 100%. 75% of the eligible students were placed with a median salary of 9.6 lakhs. When it comes to expenditure, Annamalai University spent more than 55.82 lakhs as annual capital expenditure and over 13.92 crores as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at Annamalai University's scores under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, this institution has scored 72.88%. In research and professional practices, the score is 52.84%. In graduation outcomes, it has scored 67.02%. In outreach and inclusivity, it has scored 37.78%, and in public perception, the score is 49.89%. This gives an overall NIRF score of 59.88% and the 12th rank on the NIRF table under the pharmacy category. In recent years, Annamalai University has shown significant improvement in its ranking table position. JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore. At number 7, we have JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore. JSS Mysore intakes 110 UG students and 108 students for the 2-year PG program, 10 students for the 3-year PG program, and 30 students for the 6-year PG program. The institution has a total of 817 students studying across all years, including UG and PG. From the 4-year UG program, 97.08% of students graduated and 100% of the eligible students were placed. The placed students received a median salary package of Rs 4.75 lakhs per annum. The PharmD course has a phenomenal graduation and placement record. 100% of the students graduated within the minimum stipulated time. All 100% of the eligible students got placed with a median salary package of Rs 6 lakhs per annum. JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore has spent more than 3.91 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 15.09 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 76.16%. In research and professional practices, 28.41%. In graduation outcomes, the score is 82.33%. In outreach and inclusivity, it has scored 68.59%. And under public perception, it has a score of 98.82%. This gives an overall score of 64.58% and the 10th rank on the NIRF file under the pharmacy category. JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore's rank has been consistent over the last few years. JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty takes the 6th place on our list. JSS Ooty intakes 100 UG students, 90 2-year PG students, 10 3-year PG students, and 30 6-year PG students. The institution has a total of 788 students studying across all years in both UG and PG programs. From the 4-year UG program, 95.14% of the students graduated. 100% of the eligible students were placed with a median salary package of Rs 4.5 lakhs per annum. From the 6-year PG program, all students graduated, leaving a 100% graduation percentage. All 100% of the eligible students got placed. The placed students were given a median salary package of Rs 5.5 lakhs per annum. JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty has spent more than 5.1 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 19.8 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty's scores under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 77.54%. In research and professional practices, 28.53%. In graduation outcomes, 90.2%. In outreach and inclusivity, 73.65%, and in public perception, 83.81%. This gives an overall NIRF score of 65.6% and the 9th rank on the NIRF table. JSS College of Pharmacy Ooty's rank has shown a drop compared to last year. Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences takes the 5th spot on our list. Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences has an approved intake of 100 UG students, 165 2-year PG students, 10 3-year PG students, and 30 6-year PG students. The institution has a total of 878 students studying across all years in both UG and PG programs. When it comes to graduation, 75% of the final year UG students graduated and 100% of the eligible candidates got placed. The placed students were given a median salary package of Rs 3.5 lakhs per annum. From the 6-year PG program, 93.33% of the students graduated within the minimum stipulated time. 94.44% of the eligible students were placed with a median salary of Rs 6 lakh per annum. This institute has spent more than 1.29 crore rupees as annual capital expenditure and over 19.3 crore rupees as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 77.24%. In research and professional practices, 44.74%. In graduation outcomes, 73.25%. In outreach and inclusivity, 68.83%. And in public perception, 93.03%. This gives an overall score of 67.42% and the 7th rank on the NIRF table. Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences has consistently been at the 7th rank for the last few years. Birla Institute of Technology and Science. At number 4, we have the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani. BITS Pilani has an approved intake of 91 UG students and 51 PG students in the pharmaceutical division. The institution has a total of 389 students across all years in both UG and PG programs. 91.89% of the final year UG students have graduated. Out of the eligible students, 69.09% got placed. The placed students were given a median salary package of Rs 6.8 lakhs per annum. BITS Pilani has spent more than 5.46 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 35.54 crores as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at BITS Pilani's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 88.39%. In research and professional practices, the score is 60.82%. In graduation outcomes, it has scored 74.71%. In outreach and inclusivity, it has scored 67.95%. And finally, in public perception, the institution has a score of 64.47%. This gives an overall NIRF score of 72.95% and the 6th rank on the NIRF table. BITS Pilani's rank has shown a drop compared to last year. Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. Coming in at number 3 is the Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai. ICT Mumbai has an approved intake of 30 UG students and 18 PG students. The institution has a total of 132 students studying across all years in both UG and PG programs. From the 4-year UG program, 93.33% of the students graduated and 63.63% of the eligible students were placed. The placed students received a median salary package of Rs 4 lakhs per annum. ICT Mumbai has spent more than 4.29 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 8.66 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at ICT Mumbai's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 79.12%. In research and professional practices, 65.11%. In graduation outcomes, the score is 86.13%. In outreach and inclusivity, 53.79%. And finally, in public perception, the score is 86.32%. This gives an overall score of 74.5% and the 4th rank on the NIRF table. ICT Mumbai has consistently been at the 4th rank for the last few years. Punjab University. Punjab University takes the number 2 spot on our list. The university intakes 46 UG students and 50 PG students. The institution has a total of 275 students studying across all years. From the UG program, all students graduated within the minimum stipulated time, leaving a graduation percentage of 100%. The only eligible student was placed, leaving a placement percentage of 100%. The placed student received a salary package of Rs 1.8 lakhs per annum. Punjab University has spent more than 24.51 lakhs as annual capital expenditure, and over 6.95 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly take a look at Punjab University's score under different NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 76.05%. In research and professional practices, the score is 83.43%. In graduation outcomes, it has scored 76.47%. In outreach and inclusivity, it has scored 71.53%. And finally, in perception from the public, it has a score of 95.05%. This gives an overall score of 79.8% and the second rank on the NIRF table. Punjab University was ranked at number 3 in 2018 and has been at the number 2 spot since 2019. Jamia Hamdard. At number 1 on our list, we have the Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. According to the NIRF, the best pharmacy college in India is Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. Jamia Hamdard intakes 120 UG students and 83 PG students. The institution has a total of 662 students studying across all years. From the UG program, 89.63% of the students graduated within the minimum stipulated time, and 64.7% of the eligible students were placed. The placed students receive a salary package of Rs 3.8 lakhs per annum. Jamia Hamdard spent more than 2.11 crores as annual capital expenditure, and over 19.28 crores was spent as operational expenditure. Now let's quickly look at Jamia Hamdard's score under different NIRF parameters. Under teaching, learning and resources, the institution has scored 78.18%. In research and professional practices, the score is 85.18%. In graduation outcomes, 80.85%. In outreach and inclusivity, 57.65%. And finally, in perception from the public, the institution has a score of 95.7%. This gives an overall score of 80.5% and the first rank on the NIRF table. Jamia Hamdard has consistently been on top since 2019. With all of the facts that you've heard through this video, let's quickly analyze where these colleges stand on different individual parameters. From the data, we can see that Jamia Hamdard intakes the most number of students in UG, and we can see that the Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences intakes the most number of students in PG. Intake for the 6-year PG course in all the offering colleges is 30. When we look at all of the institutions, we can see that the Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences houses a higher number of pharmacy students. When it comes to UG graduation, SVKM's Nasi Monjee Institute and Punjab University have outshined all the other colleges on our list with a 100% graduation. Out of the colleges offering a 6-year PG program, Annamalai University, JSS Mysore and JSS Ooty graduated all of their students within the minimum stipulated time. Half of the colleges on the list, namely Amrita School of Pharmacy, JSS Mysore, JSS Ooty, Manipal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Punjab University, placed all of their eligible UG students in various top companies, leaving a perfect placement percentage. JSS Ooty and JSS Mysore placed all the eligible students from the PharmD program. Looking at the median salary package offered to UG students, BITS Pilani is the institute placing students with a massive median salary package of Rs 6.8 lakhs. PG 6-year graduates from Annamalai University receive a median salary of 9.6 lakhs. BITS Pilani leads when it comes to expenditure. The institute has spent more than 5.46 crores as annual capital expenditure and over 35.54 crores as operational expenditure. Other interesting facts about the top 10 pharmacy colleges for UG programs in India 2020 are as follows. All the institutions are performing well in their respective fields. Medical education in the nation is getting better day by day, and the efforts of these institutes in offering quality education is highly appreciated. All the institutions have qualified faculty members who stand as pillars for the growth of every student. There you have it. That's all you need to know about the top 10 pharmacy colleges for UG programs in India 2020. We will soon upload a detailed review of each college and other top 10 institutions in various segments in the upcoming videos. What other interesting top 10s would you like to see? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.